In primetime news this evening, tension and sorrow in Olympic Gardens, St. Andrew, after Mighty Diamonds reggae icon Donald Tabishaw shot and killed. Petersfield student rushed to hospital with stab wounds after another schoolyard brawl. And guard rings in school, a TVJ in Focus report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening we have the business day. We have Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and the forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what is your favorite Mighty Diamonds hit and why? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.